How to change Outlook view back to normal. Open the Microsoft Outlook application. At top you can see various options. Click on the option View. You can find various options for view over here. Click on the three dots that you can see on the screen. Click on the option Customize. You can customize the view bar over here. What you have to do is click on this option Reset all changes that you can see on the screen. Click on the option Save. Now all the changes will be reset. Also click on the option Layout. Click on the option Ribbon. By default Classic is selected, so click on it. Now it will be reset. So normally when you open the Outlook, this is the view that you get. So your view on Outlook has been officially reset. Like this, you can change Outlook view back to normal. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.